Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears sour. The secret to that delightful pucker is often citric acid, a common food additive. You have two main approaches. Either coat your already made gummy bears with a sour powder, or incorporate the souring agent directly into your gummy mixture during preparation. Both techniques offer fantastic results, letting you customize the intensity of the sourness to your liking. Let's dive into the details of each method. For an immediate sour kick, coating is your go-to method. First, create your sour powder by mixing 1 part citric acid with 2 parts granulated sugar. For example, use 1 tablespoon of citric acid with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Place your cooled, firm gummy bears into a bowl with this mixture and toss them gently until evenly coated. Then, spread them on parchment paper and let them air dry for about 30 minutes to prevent stickiness and ensure the coating adheres well. If you prefer a sourness that's integrated throughout the gummy, mix the citric acid directly into your recipe. Add the citric acid after you remove the gummy mixture from the heat, but before pouring it into molds. A good starting point is about 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid for every 1 cup of liquid in your recipe. This ensures the sour flavor is evenly distributed, giving every bite a delightful tang from the inside out, rather than just on the surface. To achieve the perfect sourness, always start with a small amount of citric acid, perhaps 1/4 teaspoon, and gradually add more until you reach your desired intensity. Remember to use only food-grade citric acid, which is safe for consumption. For optimal freshness and to prevent stickiness, store your homemade sour gummy bears in an airtight container at room temperature. Enjoy your deliciously tangy, custom-made sour gummy bears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.